understanding dishwasher costs, installation, repair, and more. Welcome back to Town Appliance, your trusted destination for all your home appliance needs. Today we're delving deep into a topic that affects every kitchen, the true cost of owning a dishwasher. Beyond the convenience it brings, there's a financial tale to tell, from buying to repairing. Let's break it down. Buying versus repairing dishwashers. Picture this. Your dishwasher starts acting up. Now, the dilemma. Repair or replace? It's a tough call influenced by budget, the age of your trusty appliance, and the extent of the damage. Dishwasher buying costs. Let's kick off with buying costs. Get ready for a range from $300 to $1,500 or more, depending on brand, features, and energy efficiency. High upfront cost? Yes. Potential long-term savings? Absolutely. From the low-end gems priced between $300 and $500 to the mid-range wonders spanning $500 to $900, and the high-end marvels starting at $900 and reaching $1,500 or more, we've got the comprehensive price breakdown for your dishwasher journey. Whether you're seeking a budget-friendly option or aiming for a top-tier marvel, we've got you covered. Dishwasher repair costs. Now, repairs. Is it worth giving your old faithful a second chance? For minor glitches like a clogged drain or a grumpy spray arm, expect to shell out $75 to $200, labor included. In the world of dishwasher repairs, minor issues come with a price tag of $75 to $200, while major repairs, such as replacing a motor or control panel, can soar between $200 and $500 or more. In the realm of dishwasher installation costs, your next decision awaits. The professional touch or embracing your inner DIY creativeness. Professionals may charge between $150 to $300, covering installation, testing, and cleanup. Alternatively, opting for the DIY route can trim labor expenses, though you'll need to snag a dishwasher installation kit, typically priced between $20 and $50. Professional installation, $150 to $300. DIY installation tools and kit, $20 to $50. And a quick note from our friends at Town Appliance. If you're not the plumbing electricity maestro, consider calling in the professionals to avoid home or dishwasher mishaps. Common dishwasher problems and costs. Now let's talk about the common hiccups dishwashers face and the price tags attached to them. From leaks costing $100 to $200 to clogged drains at $75 to $200, and faulty motors or broken heating elements ranging from $150 to $350 or $100 to $300 respectively, along with faulty pumps at $100 to $300. Each issue carries its own repair cost. Staying informed about these potential expenses is a wise approach. Budgeting tips for dishwasher costs. Now let's shift gears. How can you manage these costs wisely? We've got some budgeting tips for you. Number 1, extend the lifespan of your dishwasher by regularly cleaning the filter. Number 2, reduce water and energy consumption. Number 3, prevent costly repairs. From cleaning your dishwasher's nooks regularly to running hot water before a cycle, these tips can extend your dishwasher's lifespan and keep your wallet happy. To sum it up, owning a dishwasher isn't just about loading and unloading. It's an investment, and like any investment, it comes with costs. But fear not. With knowledge and savvy strategies, your dishwasher can remain a budget-friendly hero in your home. For those eyeing top-tier dishwashers, visit our website today at townappliance.com. We've got a range of options, from luxury portable to built-in wonders. Remember, an informed decision and a dash of budget know-how keep your dishwasher and finances in top shape. For more information, visit one of our nearest showrooms. Shop online, townappliance.com.